You know, I feel like going to a different country today.
Oh yeah. Mm.
Yeah, somewhere I don't need to take my passport. And here we are in Edinburgh.
Here we are in sunny, very sunny Edinburgh.
It's like coming abroad, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, yeah. So we've come for a day trip to Edinburgh today.
Yeah.
And we're going to go and get a Chinese now, aren't we?
No, we're not. We're going to go and get some dinner.
Some lunch.
We're not having no Chinese.
Oh. And look at this here. Look at that. Absolutely stunning backdrop, that.
So we're just in the centre of Edinburgh at the moment. And here's Mark. That's Mark. Sorry, your brother got it picture.
Time for some lunch. Not quite a Chinese, but I think that'll do for now. Good old Weatherspoons. Still got to wear masks in Scotland in the shops at the moment, so not really busy. Really busy now, isn't it? Huh? It's absolutely glorious today, the weather. It's about 20 degrees, sunny, blue, clear skies. It's absolutely fantastic. What do you reckon of that, Lisa?
What is it? It's beautiful, but I don't know where it is. It's a
like
monument to something, but it looks like it should be on top of a church.
Yeah, if I get 5 minutes, I'll have a look on Google and I'll put it in the video now. But yeah, it's nice. Looks like it could do with a clean. What's jet wash on that? Get the old Karcher on that, give it a good blast off. That'll take a bit of doing, won't it? That. Get the Karcher.
Over there as well, that's nice.
Full of people here today. It's well busy. Well busy. Bit of sunshine. Everyone's out, aren't they?
You sure are.
Bus has stopped right in front where we need to be to cross over. God, it's heaving with people around here. It's very urban. It's like a little shopping precinct, isn't it? Oh, just come out of the shops. What a killer that is in there. Lisa's just nipped into New Look or something like that to get a top because it's warm. It's just quite warm actually. There's people down in the park down there sunbathing. But yeah, it's quite busy. We're going to wait here, wait until she comes out, and we're going to have to go back to the car at some point and extend the car park. Well, we've extended the car parking to the maximum. That's about 15 quid just for 4 hours. So yeah, it's quite expensive to park. So we'll wait for Lisa to come back, and we'll go and get sorted.
It's stunning.
Busy as well, isn't it? Full of people.
Really busy. We just had a bagpiper playing down the road, didn't we? So he's stopped now, someone's singing instead.
Walk round the silence, no time for pain. Somebody take out all the same. I'll dance forever till I see the rain. And watch the faithful once again. I'll shield your heart if you hold.
So we're heading back. That was quite a mental afternoon in Edinburgh. Probably the worst day you could have chosen.
Must have walked about 10 mile around Edinburgh. Absolutely ridiculous.
It's mega busy. Shopping day, isn't it?
Really is busy. Actually.
Beautiful though. You need a lot more time than one day in Edinburgh, I'm afraid.
Yeah. So that's it then. We're heading back and we're going back to England, aren't we?
We're heading back. Get it? Heading back. Edinburgh. All right.
Are we having the Chinese tonight?
No, you're not having no Chinese.
Alright, see you in a bit. Whew. We stopped off for a bit of a break. Just pulled up here. Now, come and look at this. Look at that for a view.
So we're just having a little pit stop, going from Edinburgh back to Berwick-on-Tweed, and Mark saw a little bit of sign of interest that he wants to follow, and it's led us down to this car park here. Unbelievable views. I'll spin you around in a minute. It's called Cove, and like I said, it's in between Berwick and Edinburgh.
It's very near a place called Cockburn's Path, if you've ever heard of it.
Trust him to remember that. But yeah, I'll spin you around. See, right up the cove. Right the way down the coast. There's a little monument here, and I think it's regarding the fishing disaster that happened here a while ago. 11 out of the 21 fishermen that lived in Cove lost their life, and a total of 189 fishermen were killed due to a hurricane. They didn't know it was coming and it just wiped them all out. This is Cove, and as you can see where we are, and as far as you can see on a really clear day, right up coast to the bottom of the coast. And here's what I've just been talking about. In 1920, it's a shame. The houses still do exist here as well. These are the houses of Cove that are left behind. They've all been re-roofed, but you can still see the design that was on the picture.
sat in the car having some fruit and we've got a visitor. Look.
What do you want? What do you want? Looked at the floor as if she said, drop me some fruit. Frightened me to bloody death. It's just flown at the car. I think it likes apples and grapes, Mark. It must have been eating that one.
You got some?
Yes, they had some. Oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I'm well excited. This might sound really sad to everyone else, but you know when smells remind you of memories when you were a kid? When I used to go to Scotland with my mum, see all my aunties, my Auntie Claire used to always make us rolls in the morning. And these are the rolls. You can't get them in England. Oh, they're called morning rolls.
Watch for the seagulls.
Oh my God, you can't get them anywhere. I've got 6 morning rolls and I've got the 4 of the burnt ones. Oh, I love these.
What are them?
These are morning rolls again, but they're hard fired. It's just one of those things, you smell it and you're like, oh, take me back to my childhood. Brilliant.
Souvenir as well, I think.
Yeah. It won't be so new. It'll be getting spent, but
What is it?
Scottish £5 note.
Oh yeah, I've seen one of them for a bit.
It is legal
We're
tender.
literally 20 minutes drive from the caravan site, aren't we, where we're staying in England, and we've got everything you want.
Everything's changed.
It does, isn't it? It's funny, isn't it?
And you have to wear a mask here as well.
Yeah. The tide's coming in now as well.
It's a shame it's not smell-o-vision because the smell of the sea is so strong here.
Yeah.
As in fishy, mussels, cockles, whelks.
Yeah.
It just smells really fishy. It's nice. It's nice to be out in the fresh air.
Big waves, look, aren't they?
Yeah.
Right on the bodyboard, aren't
It's a bit too cold, I think. I don't think they know what bodyboarding is on the East Coast. It's a bit cold, isn't it?
they? Well, so that North Sea is freezing cold, isn't it? Oh. Hey mate, I'm looking for the chimney. Do you know where it is? We're still in Eyemouth and we're just having a wander around. And we'll come across this little Aire. Fantastic. I'll show you the details now. You'll see them on screen. It's £15 a night. Looks like there's 4 or 5 pictures, so it's right on the seafront actually, and it's got hookups as well. So yeah, it looks alright, doesn't it? With £15.
This one I've seen, Scottish Aire.
Yeah.
It's part of the camper group, motorhome parking. Look, who's MCC are doing that as well.
Yeah, they're promoting it as well, aren't
Yeah.
they? So there's like a QR code there.
I've just bumped into the owner of the Aire that we've just been showing you. He'd originally bought that land to put a house on it, but his plans have changed, so he's now made it into a 4 parking space Aire.
Yeah. It's not the biggest, but it's alright, and it's tucked away. Security camera. You're right on the beach.
Yeah, if you want to stop on a little beachfront for 2 nights and have a venture around, this is perfect.
You've got the court which sells the Scottish rolls.
You've got the sea right next to you. It's literally, 2-minute walk. And on a lovely day, you could be on that beach all day long.
Yeah, and he said he's turned vans away recently or today because it's busy. But as a year goes on and the season changes, I think it'll probably be pleased with a few more people. So
I have told him that we're going to put him on here and promote him because that's the first Aire that I've ever seen in England.
And that's literally.
Scotland, sorry, we're not in England.
Yeah, and that's right on the seafront pretty much, isn't it? You know, in the background there, we're just round the corner now. Sea's down there, all the facilities and everything. It's in Eyemouth, so if you're in Eyemouth
with electric hookup,
give it a shout.
Yeah.
All right.